Hey guys, it's Bill from Topaz. Hope you're doing well. Welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to be showing you a pink Lamborghini, which is this car right here next to me. Some of you may recognize that it belongs to our good friend Shmee150, Tim Burton, and that's right, he sent us the car to get done, and he did buy a pink Lamborghini. So all in all, it's a good day. Now, we actually posted up this car a while ago because we had the car, we finished the car, and we actually got a huge amount of likes on the post. It was about 60,000 likes. So I think a lot of you would like to see the process of exactly what happened with this car. Now, this is the STO variant. It's essentially the Super Trofeo Omologata, and what that means is that it was homologated based on the GT3 race car. And it's essentially homologated for the road, for road use, hence why it looks so extreme. Now, as you can see, the front of the car, the back of the car, the side sills, everything about this car, apart from, I believe, the roof and the doors are exactly the same, but everything else is all different. And it's a car that is very striking, not just the fact that it's pink, but it's also the fact that it looks super aggressive. And it sounds incredible. 630 horsepower, 3 seconds to 60. It's an absolute beast, all on the rear wheels. And this car was actually designed to be a rear wheel drive car rather than it being converted from 4 to 2. So yeah, so we actually, a couple of things that we did on this car, which we've never done before, we have done, but we haven't shown on videos before, which I'm not going to tell you what it is. See if you can spot it and comment down below to let me know if you spotted what we showed you that we don't usually show you on our previous videos. This is a pretty controversial car. I think you're going to enjoy it. Watch to the end to see the final result and to see all the challenges we went through as well. And there you have it, guys. That was the video of Tim Shmee150's STO. And you can see right here next to me, it looks, I mean, incredible. Honestly, I think it's one of those Marmite cars, especially in the spec with the yellow details that we did. It's either you love it or you hate it. So why did Tim decide to go for this with the yellow? Obviously, it's from factory. You get the option of doing it in a painted scheme. Essentially, we did livery 2 and 3 option, which is about £13,000 or something like that from the factory. And Tim wanted to make the car look a bit more aggressive by putting some black accents on the car, like the black roof, like the black on the bonnet, on the front clam, and also the engine cover. Now, a couple of things that we did to this as well, which we didn't do before, is the windscreen protection. And we've been doing this for many, many years in terms of research to make sure the right windscreen protection passes our quality control stages. And it was a nightmare to go through all the different quality of films and all the different manufacturers of film until we got to the stage where we were happy with the product that we have now, that behaves very much like paint protection film, but is essentially undistinguishable. You can't see that there is film on your windscreen, which is exactly the stage that I wanted to get to. But yeah, so we applied paint protection film, obviously, to the car. It goes without saying. We obviously did black paint protection film on the areas. Now, let me explain to you why we decided to go for black paint protection film, black PPF, versus vinyl. You guys may know I'm not a huge fan of vinyl, especially the gloss. I feel like it gives it a lot of, I mean, just the way it looks, it doesn't have the right reflections. Considering my background and who we are and what we do, it's all about reflections for us, and paint distortion is our signature treatment, you know, to remove paint distortion. And applying a vinyl that is very orange peely and has a high level of paint distortion, I can't put it on the car. It's like, we cannot do it. So the black PPF worked a treat. It looks absolutely stunning, and the reflections were very, very sharp. Quite hard to install, not the easiest thing to install. It's actually much quicker if it was going to be in vinyl. But I think the final result gives it the right look that I was looking for and the right quality standard for it to be a Topaz car. And yeah, I think it looks, again, it's, as I said before, I'm really interested to find out if you like it or don't like it, because I think there are two camps of people in this, whether you hate it or you absolutely love it. I'm really interested to find out if you guys do like it or do hate it. Please comment below and let me know. I am actually interested to find that out. Well, there you have it, guys. I hope you liked that video, and I look forward to reading your comments below. Make sure to share, make sure to like this video to let me know that you like watching this content. And yeah, we're going to keep on going. So I'll catch you on the next one. Take care.